FlexScreen is one of the most innovative household products we've ever seen on the Shark Tank. The moment I saw Joe flex that window screen, I knew that this invention was going to revolutionize the window industry, and I had to be a part of it.
When Joe first approached us for the opportunity to create a higher speed line and take his machinery to a new level, we were excited about the opportunity. We delivered on that promise, and today the FlexScreen manufacturing process is being used by manufacturers all over the world. Our first development with Joe and the FlexScreen team was to assist in making a high-speed line, and so we did that. However, there was a great number of potential customers who were looking for something that was significantly less capable than that. We wanted to make sure that we maintained the simplicity, ease of manufacturing, and manufacturability that Erdman is known for.
I'm incredibly proud of what the talented engineers at Erdman delivered with our high-speed line. Watching FlexScreen evolve through every stage of development over the years has been incredibly rewarding. But innovation is in FlexScreen's DNA, and we knew there was still more to accomplish. We recognized the need for a solution designed specifically for smaller window companies, and we knew exactly who to call.
Working on the world's first and only automated screen manufacturing line was a rewarding experience. When FlexScreen approached us again to help find a solution for small to medium-sized companies, we were excited to help with that opportunity. We were excited to continue the work we started by offering a simpler solution for companies of all sizes.
The wire bender is the first step in the FlexScreen process. We take oil-tempered spring steel that has been PVC coated and bend the frame. While bending all four corners, we are laser etching all sides of the frame. This helps with product identification. After we bend the frame, we move it to the strip weld station, where we remove the coating. After that, we butt weld the frame together to make one-piece construction. The next step is the lamination station, where we cut the mesh and shrink the shrink tube. Then we laminate the first two sides, creating both chemical and physical bonds with heat and pressure. Then we rotate the screen to laminate the remaining two sides. Finally, the excess mesh is trimmed and the final FlexScreen is produced.
We are proud to say that we created something truly revolutionary with the high-speed line. And we're really pleased to go back to the drawing board to provide further solutions for manufacturers of all types.
Seeing this equipment evolve from a concept on a screen to running in a customer's facility is incredibly rewarding.
FlexScreen is well on its way to becoming the industry standard and a household name.
I believed in the Shark Tank, and I still do today, that FlexScreen has the potential to be one of the biggest success stories to come out of the Shark Tank. Licensing the manufacturing technology was the next logical step towards making FlexScreen the industry standard, and I am super excited to be a part of history in the making.